I'm Sylvia, my company is Etoeto, and I make bags out of upcycled materials. What I do through my business, Etoeto, is upcycling. That means to take materials that already exist and just rework them into something else. I've decided not to go with textiles. I use unusual materials like bicycle inner tubes, life rafts, tents, umbrellas, all kinds of different materials that can't be recycled. All I'm trying to do is extend their lives, stop new stuff being made and stop landfill for as long as possible. People have got closets full of stuff. We'll wear them for a season, we might even wear them just for a couple of times to put them on TikTok or Instagram, and then we bin them. We've got landfills full of stuff. It's really important that we start to rationalise the amount of stuff we have and just slow down fashion. It'll just be a bit more mindful and meaningful and respectful of materials, of people's work, of the environment, just of the world that we live in general.